create a new project and select empty activity. This is a jetpack compose activity, and click next and give the project name here and click on finish. Now remove first these lines and this also. Now create a UI here. So first set a annotation composable, and now create a function show UI. So in this example I will create 3 text views and 1 button. So create a variable name and string, data type string, and now create a variable price and data type string, and now create a variable description and data type string. Now create a variable by remember and pass here mutable state of select here mutable state of and pass the previous value. So our previous value is name. Now import operator state get value and copy this and paste and paste. Now change this price and set this value initial value price, and now change this value and set this value initial value description. Now create UI here. So select column and first modify the column. So add a modifier So select here modifier and set the padding here dot padding and padding all 8 dot dp and import the extension property dp, right? And now dot fill maximum size, so fill max size and dot wrap content height, wrap content height. This is this attribute for column. Column is our layout. And now create here a text. So write text here and now first modify this. So copy this modifier and write here and now set the attribute dot fill max width and dot padding. So set the all padding 8 dp dot and now set the text align, so comma here and now text align, select the text align and type here text align dot center. Now write the comma here and now set the text, so text is equal txt name, this variable. Now copy this text, this is the text view, copy this text and create new text and text, set the text txt price. Now create one more text view and set the text txt description. Now create a button, so write here button and here is the button on click, pass the function here on click. So first create here private item name string and set the value null. And create item price and item description. Now write the code inside the on click and now set the values of txt name is equal item name dot to string, and now txt price item price dot to string, and item description txt description is equal item description dot string, and now add the modifier. So write comma here and copy this modifier and place here, and dot padding, set the padding for button and set start is equal 4 point dp, and set all padding, so dot padding all 8 dp 8 point dp, and now dot fill max width, and now align dot and pass here alignment dot center horizontally, and now set the button height here, so dot height and paste here, pass here button height, so I am keeping here 40 dp, right. Now the button, add the button level here, so in this block, so set the text and text is equal update item info, right. Now create a function for update UI. So create a private fun update UI, and change the item values here, so item name is equal name is equal product name 1, and item price is equal 200, and item description is description 1, and this will call the function after the button click. So call this function inside the button click, so call here update UI inside the on button click. Now show a toast message here. So create a function for displaying a toast message. So this is the function private fun show toast and toast dot make item info updated, and call this toast message here. So toast. Now call this UI show UI set content here, and now item name is equal product name, and item price is equal 100, and item description is description. This is the initial information of the items. And now call the UI. So call here show UI function, show UI, and pass the name, item name, and price, item price, item price, and description, item description. Now run the app and see the result. Now our app is loaded successfully, and our tax information is displaying product name, price, and description. And our main target is when we will click on the buttons, so our item value will be should be updated. So click on update item info and see the result, and our values updated successfully. So our app is working perfectly. So thank you for watching this video.